What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Kate from Kate's Home Fitness, where I try to make fitness fun, home fitness fun, so that you keep coming back. Today is just a quick video. Wanted to hop on here and talk about the benefits of having your stability bar, T-bar versus not. Let's dive in. If you happen to have some sensory issues, some stability issues, equilibrium imbalances, obviously you are going to want to have the insurance of your T-bar, stability bar attached to your mini trampoline. It does come on and off. Right now this one is the Kenson, it's the larger version, and it is the U-bar. It is adjustable in height by screws up, down, so it can suit your stance. And I recommend it for all my seniors that have any type of issues at all or are uber beginners. Having said that, I also personally like to use this, especially if I'm doing rapid front kicks here, where my stance is lower and my core is engaged, a little bit more bend in my knee, and I have that to hold on to. So it just provides me the comfort of knowing it's here. I feel safer even when I'm getting on and off my mini trampoline when I have my stability bar. Versus not having a T-bar or stability bar, you do feel like you have maybe perhaps a greater range of motion with things that you can do if you're getting on and off to do plank. That have any issues whatsoever, please put that on. It is just an insurance policy like no other. You can still do a full body workout with or without that extra added piece of equipment. And it can, like, as I said, detach and get reassembled and put back on. It's a bit of a pain, but the option is there for you if you need it. Some days you might, some days you might not. I can still do my rapid kicks here. I can still do my TikToks here, although I feel safer doing my TikToks with the stability bar. Follow an instructor that resonates with you. Doesn't have to be me. If it is, I welcome you, of course. Follow someone that resonates with you, that you want to engage with, that you want to follow, that you want to learn from. When you do that, when you find someone that clicks with you or you click with them, keep doing their workouts, because that means you're more likely to come back and do another workout, which is a benefit and bonus, because every workout, every step, every bounce you do is a fitness deposit into your wellness tank. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next workout.